Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it is fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through the Witchling Academy Tarot. This is by Pamela Chen and it's illustrated by Mindy Zhang. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. But Pamela Chen is the author of the Crystal Unicorn Tarot, and this deck I have absolutely fallen in love with. I adore it. So I'm really excited to be checking this one out. I have read through a little bit of the guidebook already just to kind of prepare, but other than that, I haven't looked through the cards. So technically it's still an unboxing in my opinion. But this retails for $27.99 and it's published by Llewellyn, and the back says, "Unforgettable adventures await at the Witchling Academy of Magic. Welcome, new apprentice. Your journey through the enchanting world of tarot is about to begin. You'll uncover powerful secrets of magic and divination alongside fellow apprentice Charlie and her best friends. Inspired by magical girl anime series, this Rider-Waite style deck teaches you how to master the elements and maintain the balance of energies within. The accompanying Witchling Academy Handbook helps you to learn the basics of spellwork and build a personal connection to the cards. Featuring whimsical artwork and inspiring insights, Witchling Academy Tarot unites fantastic storytelling with life-changing wisdom." 78 cards and a 100-page guidebook. The guidebook is adorable. So first of all, can we talk about the packaging? It's absolutely amazingly cute. I love it. I feel like if you're going to do something like a book style like this is just awesome. The only thing is the cards might fall out after wear and tear, but look at how cute. Whoopsie, that's what I mean. But here's the guidebook over here, and it slides out. And here's this little piece. Congratulations on your acceptance to the Witchling Academy of Magic. So it is, like they said, based upon this anime, and it literally reads like you are going to this school, this Witchling Academy. And it's very reminiscent of a certain wizard and witch school. That's been very popular for the last 20 or so years. But it's adorable. So the whole thing works as like lesson plans, and then you get sorted into your houses: house, cups, pentacles, wands, and swords. And it's just adorable. So I won't spoil the fun of reading through it because it is really cute. But I just wanted you to know that like it is an experience. It's not just a tarot deck. It is literally an experience. And I am so thrilled about that because, you know, especially I feel like this would be a great tarot deck so far for like teens to get into, like a really fun immersive experience too. So then it goes into the meanings of each card, and there's a daily incantation for each card as well, even through the minors. And so see, you can include the House of Cups, and that gives you all of the information. And then it goes through all of this info here. So I'm really pleased about the guidebook, especially since it's so creative and fun. So let's take a look at the cards. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Okay, let me adjust my light over here so we can get more in. There we go. All right, here's the back. Look at that. Cute. Typical Llewellyn card size and card stock. So if you're familiar with that, you know how it feels. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but still flexible. It's a really good size. I really enjoy the Llewellyn card size. All right, so no borders. There's like a little shine, but it's not super glossy. I like that the title is down at the bottom. This is super cute. Oh, there's all of the houses. Oh, I love it so far. How fun. You still have the symbols, which is great. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm not a huge anime person. Like I I consider my favorite anime to be Pokemon. But like it's just because I didn't get fully indoctrined into it. However, my husband is an anime person. He loves anime. So I'm familiar with it and I'm familiar with the art style, but it's just not something that like I grew up with, I guess. But I really do love Sailor Moon. So I guess Pokemon and Sailor Moon. I tried, right? This is adorable. How cute. What fun art styles and art pieces. I love it. Oh my gosh. And so that's her familiar, her little parakeet. And I believe this is Charlie. And so you follow her throughout the card deck, like much like the Fool. Or I mean, I guess it is the Fool. Interesting death card. That's a very interesting devil card too. I'm excited to read through the meanings and like figure out who these characters are. I just feel like this is such a great way to learn, to like really immerse yourself into a storyline and kind of help you learn that way. So you're following the character. This is giving me Sailor Moon vibes for sure. That way you get to like really experience what the character is experiencing and then relate that back when you use the cards. What a great fun deck. And the Tarot of Haunted House is similar. It doesn't give you this fantastically huge guidebook for it, but it's the same concept. And I mean, essentially that's what all the tarot decks are. You follow the full throughout its learning experience. All right, here we go. House of Wands. How fun. I'm just really super impressed with it. I feel like this is something that is unlike anything I own, which is awesome. I feel like it's super relatable. It's very positive. It's not intimidating. It's very vibrant and fun. You get all the symbols. I feel like you understand exactly what's going on in the card. Very similar to the RWS imagery, which is fantastic too. I feel like that's a decent price for this as well. The packaging is not overly excessive. I feel like it does serve a purpose. It has a theme. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. All right, Pentacles. How fun. If you own this, let me know what you think. If this is your everyday deck, what you use it for, do you enjoy it? Can you relate to it well? It's just so fun. I'm so impressed. How cute. Little buns. Ooh, that's really cool. Got some rainbow scales in the back. Love it. Oh, look at this baby. I love Studio, is it Ghibli or Ghibli? Like Ponyo and, oh gosh, Why, like Kiki's delivery service, like that Kiki's delivery service, this is what it's giving me, what I'm relating it to, and I'm loving it. Like the art kind of style and um, just the overall feel of it, and I love that. Cute. Super creative. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. This is me every night. Me in my onesie, hanging out. Comfy. This is so fun. Oh, interesting. And it's fun that her familiar is a parakeet because you don't really see a lot of bird familiars. And there's a bat, there's a cheetah, bun. So that's really fun too. All right, now we get to the court cards. Should be interesting. How they did this was an interesting way of sorting it too. I love all the little veggies. Okay, so my question, when I see like animated food, why does it gotta look so dang appetizing? Like, I want to eat everything. I love, look at the little panda. Some boba tea. Oh my. I'm loving the outfits, the uniforms. Oh my gosh, wow. So, and then, you know, there's diversity, which is also fantastic to see. I love these guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Stunning. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. The concepts are really cool. Loving the chair, the throne, I should say. Ooh. Oh my. Wow. Gorgeous. So the kings are also female. So some of you might not enjoy that. That is so cool. I'm here for it though. I'm here for it. I don't usually have a problem with I'm just going to say the gender swapping. It doesn't really bother me. But there's a lot of you guys that enjoy having the energy be a specific energy. And I get it. I totally get it. Let's see how it shuffles. Oh my gosh. I can tell you it's going to shuffle just fine. Yep. No problems here. So what we'll do is we'll shuffle it the other way, pull a card, and then read from the guidebook to see how you'll be able to read from it yourself to see if you like it. All right, well, let's read the moon. How about that? Okay, so there is the card. We'll stick her there. Okay. The moon. Daily incantation is, I trust my intuition to guide me to success. Magical meaning, the moon illuminates the night by shining its light and showing you things that were once hidden in the dark. The star essence in the water pushes corrupt magic out of the Shadow Witch, transforming her back to her true self, Air Witch Christina McNally. With the corrupt magic gone, Air Witch McNally is flooded with all the thoughts and emotions that were buried within her. The moon shines its light on things that were tucked away. Now that you can clearly like the excuse me, I can read. Now that you can see clearly, like the ex-shadow witch, you will notice that something is not what it appears to be. Before you make a decision, make sure you can see the full situation. Trust your intuition and let your inner voice guide you to make the best choice possible. Mother, your corrupt magic is gone. What will you choose to do now? Said Charlie, the daughter of Christina McNally. Very cool. Okay, so like I said, it's like this whole story, and these are all characters in the story. And this is a great way, in my opinion, to help learn the tarot and the energies of each card. How stinking cute is this? I am thoroughly impressed. I think this is a phenomenal little deck as far as the creativity goes. And then in the back here, you have final exams and there's spreads. So you have your basic 3 card, Activate My Witchling spread. And is there more? I thought there was. And then one more, the Magical Broom spread. And then you have an initiation ceremony in the back. And then it goes through who the beings are in the book here. So that'll help as well keep everybody together. How stinking adorable is this? I really think it's so cute. I think for me, it hits all the things that like I look for. And I'll do a video on what I look for in a deck when I do my little reviews here. But for me, the price point seems pretty fair for it, considering most Llewellyn decks like this are around $29.99 to $32. So it hits a good price point. The quality is there. The art's there. I mean, with the Llewellyn decks, their cardstock is, you know, basic. For me, I'm not mad at a basic kind of cardstock or a thinner cardstock. I'm not particularly a huge fan of really thick cardstock because I like to do my chaotic shuffling like this, and sometimes it's hard to do that with a very thick 78 card deck. But with that being said, I would love to know what your opinion is on this little guy. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? I'm so like thrilled. I think it's adorable. So let me know what you think down in the comments section below. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.